Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog I will be breeding another set of molly fish. So it's the day 3 of our molly grow out. So these are all black mollies, lyre tail, short body black mollies. So, and also here my breeding, new setup breeding, molly breeding. Right, as you will see, the male is mating the females in this breeding tank. Here the male molly is always chasing the females, so that's a good sign that this male molly is mating all the females in this breeding tank that I have set up. Now it's time to feed the grow out. Okay, so you can feed your grow out 2 to 3 times a day, okay, with only a few fish food. Okay, don't overfeed them, because if you will overfeed them, the water will become polluted. So just feed them enough, and later you can feed them every 2 hours. Also feed the breeder mollies. They will feed them. So mollies will always have to eat fish food. Okay, they need to eat always fish food in order to keep their body structure form. So you need to feed them regularly in order to their growth will be faster. This is the new breeding tank that I will be setting up for the molly. Okay, so the water here is already conditioned and ready for breeding. So we need just to add aquatic plants in this breeding tank, and after that we will transfer the mollies in this breeding tank. So we will remove some aquatic plants in this grow out tank of my molly. Okay, so we will put this in my new setup breeding tank. So I always use this water lettuce in breeding my mollies, also breeding my guppies. So this is a good aquatic plant that can prevent ammonia in the water. We will also add this one. This is a good hiding spot for the newly born molly. Either you have this plant, aquatic plant, or you can use guppy grass. Okay, so this is my guppy grass. Right, so this is guppy grass. We'll also add some guppy grass. Right. So I like to use guppy grass in my breeding tank, because guppy grass is also good water conditioner. These are my new molly breeder mollies. Okay, so I have here 1 male and 3 females. Right, so these are color orange. Their fins is lyre tail, short body. Okay, so this is a good molly. Right, so there, that's the male, and is also mating all the females. So that's a good indicator that soon we're gonna have a new batch of new mollies. So let's transfer this to their new home. So this will be their new home. Actually, all the female mollies here, I think, is already pregnant. As you will see, their belly is already big. Okay, that means that there are already developing mollies inside their belly. So probably few weeks from now we will have new batch of molly. So molly fish are very easy to breed and very easy to keep. Okay, as you will notice here, I don't have any aeration in my breeding tank. Just this one, no aeration, okay, no filtration, just a simple breeder setup. Okay, just aquatic plants and good quality of water. That's how easy to breed this molly fish. So now we have two sets of breeder mollies, one here and another one here. So hopefully we will be able to successfully breed these mollies, and hoping soon we're gonna have a new batch of mollies. So this tank here are my female mollies. All of these are females, and I put two males in this breeding tank. Okay, so here you will notice that there are already small mollies in this breeding tank. So hopefully these mollies will grow and we'll be able to have a new batch of mollies. I noticed something here, right? So I have never seen like this before. It's color white. Look, it's color white. I don't know what's this, but I think this is not good for the mollies. So you have to remove this. Have to remove this one. Look, it's color white. I don't know what's this. Have to remove this to avoid any contamination in this breeding tank that I have set up. This is another set of my grow out. Those are all mollies. Okay. Albino mollies, red eye. Okay, so before they are very small, now you will notice them, right? So they are growing here fast and they are healthy. So I am feeding them 2 to 3 times a day so that they will grow faster. Later I will be also setting this up for molly breeding. Okay, so I will clean these two tank. Actually there are also breeder in this tank. Those are molly breeder, but the water here is color green, so I need to replace the water, clean the water, and put a new set of molly breeder. And what I'm planning here is to have a guppy here, guppy breeder in this 4 tub, and I will also add another tub here for the guppy, right, so that we will be able to easily monitor all my molly breeder and guppy breeding. So later I will set up this for the guppies. So that's all for today, guys, and hopefully you like this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell button for you to be notified for my new video. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.